Is your Spectrum TV app stubbornly stuck on one channel? This is a common issue often caused by network problems, app glitches, or device limitations. This is a common issue often caused by network problems, app glitches, or device limitations. First, let's address the immediate problem. Start by force closing the Spectrum TV app and reopening it. On your smart TV or streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick, power cycle it by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. While the device restarts, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal, less than 25 megabits for HD streaming, is a prime suspect. Run a speed test using the app's built-in diagnostics or a website like speedtest.net. If possible, switch to an Ethernet connection for a more stable signal, as Spectrum recommends at least 100 megabits for 4K streaming. Ensure no other devices are heavily using your bandwidth. After doing these checks, your issue should be resolved. If the initial checks didn't solve the issue, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. Clear the app's cache and data. Find this in the app settings on Android or iOS, or reinstall the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and has all necessary permissions, like location for local channels. Temporarily disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with streaming. As a preventive measure, regularly clear your app's cache and reboot your router. Switching to a wired connection can also resolve this. AI-enhanced diagnostics have been integrated into the app to reduce the likelihood of this happening. Try running diagnostics regularly. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support at 1-855-478-6789 or use the in-app chat feature. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve and minimize future playback issues.